pour boiling water over toilet paper and get ready to see a truly surprising result. Since I discovered this simple trick, I've never had problems with pests at home again. And look, today I want to share this with everyone who also suffers from this kind of situation. To begin, take a roll of toilet paper and place it on a glass surface or any other heat-resistant container. Now, very carefully, pour very hot water over it. The idea here is to completely soak the paper, absorbing as much water as possible. After that, wait a few minutes until the paper cools completely. This time is important, both to avoid accidents and to leave the ideal texture for the next step. Once it's cold, start tearing or cutting the paper into smaller pieces, forming a kind of damp mass. Now comes the part that enhances everything. Add a teaspoon of coffee, which helps intensify the smell and acts as a great ally against insects. Next, add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, which also has naturally repellent properties. And finally, add a tablespoon of toothpaste. This will help give the mixture consistency and also bring a fresher aroma. With everything in the container, mix well with your hands until a completely homogeneous mass is formed. The ideal point is when there are no dry parts or excess liquid, everything well incorporated. Now, shape small balls with this mass. Try to keep them a medium size, neither too big nor too small. This makes it easier to distribute them around the house. And we come to the most important part, the application. Place these balls in the corners of the house, especially in places where you usually see pests, such as behind furniture, near doors, windows, drains, or even in the kitchen. These strategic points make all the difference in the result. Since I started using this technique, cockroaches, ants, rats, and even spiders have simply disappeared from my house. It's amazing how something so simple can be so effective. Furthermore, it's a practical and natural method that avoids the use of harsh chemicals, often harmful to health. With simple, easy-to-find ingredients, you can protect your home economically and much more safely. Now it's your turn. Use it in the right places, reapply whenever necessary, and then tell me what you think. I'm sure you'll also be surprised by the effectiveness of this trick.